The poor man's alternative to Tannerite. This video is show you how to take a 2-liter bottle, a valve stem, drill a hole in the cap. Anything will do. A hole punch would be ideal. You really need a valve stem puller to pull it through, but I'm going to do it the hard way and push it through. Gloves would be a good idea too. If you don't get it pulled through enough, it'll leak. So if you don't get it right the first time, you try it again. And that's all there is to it. You pump it up. Just be careful how much air you put in it. Keep an eye on it. Don't let it get too much in there. I got to figure out exactly how many pounds to put in that's safe, where you can still handle it without taking a chance on it exploding in your hand. Now, to make it more interesting, make you a little pocket here. Might want to hold your thumb down there. Just make you a little pocket. Take you some line chalk. I should have took this off. There we go. Just put a little bit in there. The more you put, the better reaction you're gonna get. Put the lid on. Be a good idea to hold it at both ends, but put your thumb up here and hold it right there and pump it up. When you get ready to shoot it, you can always put more in it, but temporarily just put enough in it to hold the chalk in place. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's firmly held in place by the label. And that's all there is to it.